Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexander from EA Forex Academy, and today on the 29th of November 2017 I am recording from the demo account that we have placed 99 robots the last week. I have waited like 1 week, I think a little bit longer even. So you can see that currently I'm having $306 as a profit. There are many open positions, and you can see as well that I have $103,000. So basically this account, this demo account have made more than $3,000, and currently I have some more profits that are not closed. So the idea here, guys, is that this whole portfolio, as you can see, it's making profit. Yeah, this 99 expert advisors are currently making profit, but what I want to do is I want to take the top 10 performers out of this 99 and to place them on a separate live account. Yeah, because obviously during this period of time there were some losses as well, and I will show it to you now how we follow their performance. And I want to place only the top 10, the top performers on a different account. Yeah, so in order to follow that, we go to one website that it's called FX Blue. And keep in mind, guys, we're not connected to any of the websites. We use it just to follow their performance of the expert advisors. There are many things in this website. So what you do, I click on FX Blue, and here is the username and the password. So I have already registered for the demo account, but I will just show you how you need to register. You see here is the button register, the first one for the account synchronization. And since I'm going to MetaTrader 4, if you go to MetaTrader 5, for example, and I'll suggest you guys to stick with MetaTrader 4 because MetaTrader 5, a lot of mistakes there, still not fixed. We've received some reports about mistakes on MetaTrader 5, and you can read much more about it over internet, but personally, our team is focusing on MetaTrader 4. So when I click on register, you will see here there is broker server. So you need to select the server of the demo account because some brokers have several servers. So you select the server, you write down the account number and the read-only password that you receive when you register. So basically this is the investor's password. And then you write down your email, you agree with the terms and conditions, nothing really special there, and you click on register. And your account, your demo account, will be connected to this website. And when I click on login, you will be into the account synchronization. So after that, I click on statistics. So you see for this, okay, here is exactly the dates because I really don't remember when exactly I placed it, but we have history of 10 days. Okay, I have monthly return of 7.3% so far, weekly return of 1.7%, profit factor 1.24, and here I have the floating profit, which is $300, and here is your balance and equity. So what we care about is the strategy. I click on strategy, and here you see the performance of the 99 expert advisor, guys. There's so many statistics here that you can follow: number of trades, gross profit, gross loss, net profit, profit factor, okay, winners, losers, how long time they went. You can see here there is longest, shortest, best trade, worst trade. There are so many statistics here, guys. You can look in details. There's average profit, there are consecutive losses, consecutive profits. There's so many things right here. Yeah, and this is only strategy. There is so many other ones like the trading hours, so you can see during which hours you are making most profits, on which hours you're losing, and so on and so on. Days, weeks, direction, up and down. I can bet you guys that when it's going up, it's making profit. Yeah, it is. And when it's going down, it's making loss. Simply, this is the Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, so let's go back to the strategy. And what we focus, guys, is the net profit. I click on net profit and I arrange the expert advisors in a way that I will see the ones that are making profits on the top and the ones that are making losses at the current moment. Yeah, so I want to place in my live account only the ones that are making profit at the current moment. I want you to remember that at the current moment, because this is the only realistic thing that we have, guys. There is no past performance that can guarantee you actually future performance. I said that in the disclaimer in the beginning as well, but there are people that are focusing so much in backtesting. They do so many backtests. They pay money to companies to provide history data, and they take this tick data. There is no such thing in MetaTrader, guys. Even in the tester, you can see that there is a tick data, but just remember, for me, tick data in MetaTrader is illusion. There is no such a thing. The only thing is the open price, and all of our expert advisors. So just to give you a quick look what I'm talking about, in expert advisor, if I go to strategy tester, each expert advisor, you can test it for a current period of time, and with model you can choose three options: every tick, control points, and open prices only. So this is the only realistic thing that you can get from MetaTrader. Tick data is illusion. One more time I repeat, and I'm not going into details. Just don't waste time to do tick data history backtesting, and especially to buy such history data. Okay guys, so I continue now. Let's go back to the website just to open it from the other page. Okay, and what we have, you can see here, you can see the profit factor of the first expert advisor, guys. It's 12. This is really nice. It made 281 profit and it had just $21 of loss. It's really nice expert advisor at the current moment that is catching this huge volatility at the Bitcoin at the moment. You can see just reaching new tops, guys, 10,911, and it's going up. So you see, guys, what we are doing here. We are not trying to predict anything. We're not going to tremble. Is it going to go more further up? Is it going to go lower? So what we do now, I will show you how to take the 10 top expert advisors from the 99. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The expert advisor ending on 773 is the 10th one. So what's the idea here, guys? The idea is that I want to trade the top 10 expert advisors that are making profit at the current moment. Doesn't mean that the others are not profitable. Just these 10 are making much more profit than the other 89. Yeah, and I will just keep refreshing that. So for example, tomorrow at the same time, if I see that expert advisor 884 went here and this one came down, I will remove this one from the trading account, from the live account, and I will replace it with the one below, the one that took its place. It could be that 2-3 will go down, 2-3 will go up. So anyway, we always keep on the live accounts the top 10 performers, the top expert advisors, and it will change all the time. So this is the work that you need to do during the day, to have a look at it, to see which one changed places, which one on the top, and to replace them. You don't spend the whole day, guys. The expert advisors are trading for you. You just need to follow their performance. And basically, you can do it the way you want. This is just an example for the top 10 for this course, but here I will leave it a door open for you. So it's your choice whether you want to trade the top 10. It's your choice. You want to trade the best one. For example, the second, the third comes on first place, you will remove the best one and you will replace it with the other one. In this way, we are trading, one more time I say, the expert advisors that are currently at the present moment making profits, guys, and not that ones that showed better backtest and so on and so on. Yes, we use the backtest, we use it to create the strategies, we used it, as I showed you, to test so many strategies for the last 1 month to see which one are keeping making profits. And finally, we are doing one more huge test by placing these 99 expert advisors on a demo account, and we choose only the top expert advisors. You can choose the top 1, top 2, top 3, top 5, top 10, top 20 if you wish. Doesn't matter. The question is that we have so many expert advisors. You have so many expert advisors already, 99, so you can place the top performers on a live account. And actually, I would suggest you guys to do this on another demo account. Okay, just open one more demo account and, for example, start with 3 and place them on a demo account. Follow their performance, see which one will change places. If you need to change the second, for example, with the 5th one, you replace them, see how it's going. If you find it profitable, I'll be very happy for that, guys. Okay, and this is the way, guys, that we found in the academy to make profits. And if you get used with that and if you succeed to make profits, really I will be very happy from that. And this is the powerful tool actually of PA Studio, that we can create so many expert advisors, and if any of those expert advisors starts losing, you have so many to replace it. And this is how we solve the problem. You can read all over internet comments, reviews. I have bought one expert advisor, it worked for some time and it starts losing. You will see this thousands time as a comment, yeah? And this is normal because the expert advisor didn't start to lose, guys. I want to make it clear here. It's not the expert advisor starts to lose. The expert advisor has a code with the entry condition and it's entering every time with the same entry conditions. What changed is the market, yeah? This is very important. You can see how the market is changing, guys, and this is what is changing, not the expert advisor. That's why we have hundreds of expert advisors. If any starts to lose, we replace it with new one and the problem is solved. Very easy. Of course, guys, it took me years to come up with this conclusion. I'm happy I came up with this conclusion and I'm happy sharing with everybody, and really hope you will guys succeed to make profits. Okay, so let's move on. What we have, I want to take the top 10. Take a pen and a paper and write down the number of the expert. So the number is 33685704. Of course, you don't need to do it right now, guys, when you're watching, but you need to do it after that when you have your statistics and when you're practicing that. It's easier to write it down on a piece of paper, because now I will go back to the MetaTrader. I'm going to File and then I click on Open Data Folder, and I am going to MQL4, then I'm going to Experts. You know already that all the expert advisors are in this folder. So what I do, I right click and I will create one folder that says top 10, for example. If you decide to trade only the top 3 performers, you will name it like that. It's up to you. So what I will do now, I press Ctrl and F and I write the number 33685704. Here it is. I click on copy and I will close this search box and I will place this expert advisor in this folder. Okay, simply this way, by the search box, by the number, you can find it. Anyway, it will be really hard for me to look in the 99 expert advisors where exactly is this top performer that is making currently such great profits with profit factor 12.9. Profit factor 12.9, guys, is something you will see very rarely. Okay, I'm going to the next one. So it is 34274793. Okay, and again I'm going to the MetaTrader and I press Ctrl F and I write it down. So it's 34274793. Here it is. I copy that one as well. Make sure to copy it, not to cut it, because if you cut it, actually you will remove it and it won't continue trading on your demo account. So I place it over here, and this is the way that I select the top performers out of the 99. So when I have the 10 here, I will copy all of these and I will place them in the separate account the same way that I have already showed you for the 99. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to get boring with the video to do it one and the same the 10 expert advisors. but basically this is the thing we're doing. I will just summarize it. So what we did, we connected our demo account with fxblue.com. One more time, we're not connected to this website with any reason. It's just a lot of statistics here that we can use and that are very useful. We are focusing on the net profit. We arrange the expert advisors, the strategies by the net profit, because this is at the end of the day the most important. And then I'm taking the top 10. I find them in the folder where are all the experts, and I will place these expert advisors in the live account. One more time, I suggest you open a separate demo account and practice this for some period of time, like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So basically you will get used with that, and just go to the live account when you feel comfortable, when you feel safe, and when you feel ready. So the question, guys, is that by using these expert advisors, by following the statistics and selecting the top performers, what we do is we avoid the emotions. Because, guys, so many people are losing money nowadays with these cryptocurrencies because they trade it manually, they just buy it somewhere, and it's so hard to predict what will happen. You can see what a drop we have just in 1 hour. Actually, this is in 30 minutes time with the Bitcoin, guys. So imagine you have bought it here somewhere. You've said, for example, to yourself, okay, if the Bitcoin goes to 10,400, I will buy it. You buy it, you place your stop. Can you handle $400 at this moment with a loss? Probably you can, but if you have bought 10 Bitcoins here, okay, 10 lots for example, you need to have a stop loss bigger than $4,000 into your account, and basically it can drop much lower at any moment. Of course it's going up now, guys, so it really, we don't care what's going on there, yeah. We don't care. I don't care. For example, yesterday the Bitcoin went above $10,000. So comments, so many news, so many talks and talks about it, and people just jump to it without any idea what they are doing. And this is what we don't care about. We don't care if the price is 10,000, if it will go to 20,000, or if it will fall to 5,000, because we are following this system and we follow the expert advisors. They are trading, we are just replacing them with the ones that are currently making profit. So we avoid the emotions. Okay, there are two emotions that will make you lose if you trade manually. One is the fear. For example, if you are here on a profit, let's say you bought the Bitcoin before going to 10,000, now it's to 10,900, and you're afraid that you will lose this profit and you will close your position. Or if you bought it, for example, here and it dropped for 30 minutes with $400, believe me, you will get afraid that you will lose and it will go lower. So people close their positions because they're afraid they will lose. And the opposite way, the people become greedy when they make profit. They want more and more, so they buy more and more. And at one moment when there is a loss like that, they get afraid, they close everything, and they realize that they're on loss. So I don't want to get into details about the emotions, but this is how it's working. I've seen it so many times. I have experienced that, guys, to be honest with you, a long time ago. That's why I realized that it's so much easier with the algorithmic trading, because there is no emotions involved, and when there is no emotions involved, it's so much easier. Of course, it's a hard job to be done, everything we're doing, but it's easier because we don't tremble in front of the screen to wonder, to predict what will happen, because nobody actually can predict what will happen, guys. Okay, if you read some expectations and predictions, don't trust that. Trust your eyes, trust what you see, trust the statistics you see, and this is the only way that you can be sure in something, in your own knowledge and in your own statistics and expert advisors performance that I'm showing you at the moment. So you will have these 99 expert advisors, and I really hope that you will manage to do it. So just keep on practicing. It's a lot of questions all the time. How much capital you need to start, guys? Really don't drop me these questions, because I will never suggest you starting capital. Okay, I said that's already in the course. I will maybe say it another time and I will repeat it. It's up to you. Make sure to trade with small lots, so you can start, for example, with 0.01, because at the end of the day, guys, this is your money you're risking. It's your responsibility and you need to prepare yourself. You need to have a good system. I do believe this is a good system because we have already tested it. I'm showing you how it's making profits, and trade with a small percentage of it. Okay, so you can see here, for example, if I'm trading with 0.10 lot and I have 99 experts, obviously the maximum that can be opened is 9.9 lots. So there I need to have at least a count of $15,000 or $20,000. Just here I have opened a huge account of $100,000. This is a demo account, so it's not really matter. The idea is that you trade a small percentage, guys. You can see from the 100,000, 97,000 is free. So I'm trading with a very small percentage of the whole account. And what you need to do is just simply the same. Trade with a very small percentage from your account. And actually, when you trade the top one, the top three, the top five, the top 10, up to you, you will have a very small lot. So, for example, if you want to trade with one whole lot, yeah, you better trade with zero point 0.1 with 10 experts, or if you want to trade all in all with zero point 0.1. So for example, you open a small trading account and all you want to risk is zero point 0.1. You can trade with the top 10 expert advisors with 0.01, so you will have totally zero point 0.1. I hope it's clear, and this is the whole idea, guys. Here the whole idea is that we diversify the risk on many expert advisors and strategies, and not only over one, because if one is losing at the current moment, the others in the same time will be making profits. And this is how we limit the risk, and this is how we achieve these results for such short period of time. By following these statistics, you will see even better results. Again, guys, be careful, take your time, don't be in a hurry. That's really a great system that I'm sharing with you at the moment. Just make sure to learn it and to practice it before you go to live accounts. Just drop these top performers on a separate demo account and practice it. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have questions, drop me an email and I will be always there to answer you. Have a great day and always keep trading safe. Cheers.